How to repost videos on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can repost videos on TikTok. Now, to repost a video, all you have to do is open up the app. Now, once you open up app, you'll get your For You page and here you'll get the videos. Now, if this is the video you want to share, all you have to do is tap on the share icon at the bottom right of your screen. You can see just below the music icon, and here you'll find the option repost on the screen. Now all you have to do is tap on it and your video will be reposted. Now similarly, if you go into another video and tap on share option again, and you can see the repost option appears, and tap on repost, and this way you can repost your videos. And to see your repost videos, all you have to do is head into your profile. You can see the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you can find the repost icon on the screen. Tap on it and here you'll be able to see your reposted videos. Now to delete them from repost, however, you can tap on the share option again, and then you can tap on remove repost option and your repost will be deleted. Now if you don't find an option to repost, however, then it might be that you haven't updated your app. So you might want to update your TikTok application by heading over to your Play Store or App Store and update the app. Now if however this isn't the case, then it might be that the user or the owner of the video has set the video to be unable to repost. Now they might have turned off the repost option on the video. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.